What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It is me, Crazy New, and welcome back to another episode of World of Tanks. And today I'm just playing random games, maybe one or two, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And there is a lunar challenge coming up within 24 hours. The reward is a tier 8 Chinese medium premium tank, which is actually cool. I saw the statistics and I saw Quickie Baby's tank review, and thought that it is going to be a cool tank apart from the damage per minute. So this tank is actually really great, and if you manage to complete the chapter 2 on this lunar challenge, you will be able to just get your hands on the 3D style, which is going to be, you need to complete some missions every day, a mission per day, to be able to just get your hands on this nice looking 3D style. And we have to wait and see, because you can buy the 3D style actually, or you can buy the tank tomorrow and try to complete the missions for another next 10 days to be able to just get your hands on the 10 days or 8 days, I didn't remember that, but anyway, to be able to just get your hands on the 3D style, or you can get this tank and then buy that one, or maybe you can just work really hard and try to complete the tank by doing it in 3 days and try to get your hands on the 3D style for free. So in any case, I think this is going to be a cool tank, and we have to wait and see until it comes out. I'm trying to get my hands on this tank by completing all of the stages, but I'm not going to buy this one. So about this, what is our missions? Earn 700 base experience, easy cause damage to 15 vehicles, easy spot 3 vehicles in a battle, easy. So I'm going to play a tier 10 Soviet medium tank, which is the 430U, because I just want to make my crew better. So without saying anything, let's just hop inside a battle and see what we can do. So I hope you guys have a great time on doing the lunar challenge, and we have to wait and see the tank. I'm really excited about this. So tier 10 fighters. Where are we going? I have no idea. Should I go support the heavies through the east? They have 2 artilleries. Yeah, I'm going to support the heavies if any heavies are coming to that location. Okay, E50M, 277, 279E, just don't, oh, mouse is coming. Okay, now I'm doing it right then. About 430U, I love this tank. Wargaming decided to nerf this vehicle's armor, but when they nerfed it, it's still a really great tank. 440 alpha, good enough penetration, and great DPM. And a player like me, which is new, missed the side of an M48 pattern because I thought that is going to actually come here, but he decided to turn his tank. So, Mr. IS-7, don't make me load the gold for you, brother. That was actually a pixel shot, and I loved it. So, the enemy just managed to rush the other location, so we have to do something here. If I go there, I'd probably fall down. So I need to hold this location. Let's get out of here. Let's get down and let's just shoot some tanks. I need to cause damage 15 to 15 different tanks, maybe, or maybe not. So let's go help the E50M. Let's reserve the gold ammunition. I really love this tank. Just look at this. I'm doing some progress here for my team. Oops, sorry, Mr. 50B. Thank you, artillery. Oh, I missed that. Sorry. Only G's. What? Okay, now let's go for the IS-7, right? Woo! This game was something! Can I get this? Oh my god, I missed the EBR. Let's load the regular rounds for the artillery. Sorry guys. 3,320 damage and 1,000 assist. Yeah, cool, but not that. I could have done better actually. I literally could done better, guys. You know that. Look at this. Can I get him? No, I'm not. I should have waited for my aiming. But 2 kills, 3,300 damage. I can take that. That was a nice game for a mid Obj.430U. That was my first round of the day. And I did something really crazy and I forgot to change my cam. Oh my good god. I cannot believe this. Oh my god. So you couldn't see the map. That's right. That's alright. I will play a game. Another game, I mean. So, 700 base experiences done. We managed to get 942 base experiences in this game. And amount of gold ammunition I fired, I was able to just get credits because it was my first win of the day and I had some rewards for it because of the premium account. So, well, I liked it. I liked this one. I liked this one. Okay, then let's just try to go for another battle. So, another tier 10 battle. Wargaming didn't want to give us a nice tier 8 matchup, so let's just get through that location. I'm going up the hill or mountains. They call it mountains, so let's go there. Let's try to take the mountains because that's a really important position. You can get control of this location and the middle part of the map, so your team can rush through this bridge more effectively. Let's go, baby! My commander is just playing some house music inside his tank. Oh my god, CS63 just... Hello, Mr. Batchat. What a cool 3D. Should I go for the gold ammunition? M48 patterns turret is not going to be penetrated with my standard rounds. I think I have to just load... I think I have to load the gold, but let's take care of the Batchat 25T first, then maybe. Okay, now 279 Ease coming up the hill. The Rinoceronte, the brand new tier 10. Oh, there's an FV. Can you guys cover me while I'm... What the hell? Why? How? He ammo-racked me. Oh my good god, I cannot fight him back though. Why ammo rack, dude? Why the ammo rack? I have better armor than him. I can make him bounce. Why not using my armor? How did you penetrated me? Dude. I'm actually ammo rack. Come on, dude. Come on, you this. You this. It's behind you. So there's an FE4005 over there which I can have a shot on. But I love to penetrate my high explosive rounds into his turret. Somebody's head goes off. Oh my good god, 2790 ammo racked. And the artillery just get me good. Well, 2332, 1,000 less than the last battle. Oh my god, another ammo rack. What's up with this game? I was nearly going to be get ammo racked, and 2 tanks ammo racked in one battle. The 60 TP and the... Oh, it wasn't the 2798, it was the 277. I can see his head from here. Artillery, artillery. Every time artillery got me good. Oh my god, oh my god. Thank you, E100. You're going to be the savior of this battle. You are the guy who are trying to just make this game win. And the VK7201K. So here comes the FV. Oh my good god. FV missed the entire VK, I think, or maybe he bounced it. Why didn't she ram that guy? We are going to be able to just win this one, I think so. So there's a battle. 1 versus 1, the E100 against the IS-7, 2 original tier 10 tanks. Let's see who wins here. Oh my god! The 3rd ammo rack here! You guys believe this? Oh my god! Oh! 3 ammo racks in one game. Please, please ammo rack the IS-4. 3 ammo racks in one game. And a one shot. The FV4005 one shots the FV4005. We can count that one as an ammo rack. So where's that IS-4? Oh come on, dude, just don't kill yourself. Why would you do that? So IS-4 is on 279 hit points and he didn't get ammo racked. Oh my god. Oh my good god. So 19 minutes of game. I'm just trying to play one more game. One more game. But look at this. 2,332 in this game. I'm going to show you the last game. Yeah, I mean the first game. So how much experience? 780. Okay, that's cool. Now let's just see the first game on the Obj.430. At 3,323. Here? Oh, it's 32. Okay, okay. Well, that was something. So, and yep, let's jump straight into another game. I'm just really happy about this video. 3 ammo racks in one game. 2 ammo racks. All the 3 ammo racks, the enemy tanks had something about 1,000, more than 1,000 hit points. For example, the IS-7 had 1,700 or 1,600 hit points. Oh my god, the dream. Wargaming gave me this for you guys. If I just screw this, I'm done. I'm done with just wanting the tier 8 matchmaking. The dream is coming. Oh my good god. Okay, now, so what are we going to do? Absolutely. The Renault Charente is going for the bypass with the Super Conqueror and the Yak Panzer 100. I hope so. So, it's a hard decision. I can go through this line to secure this position, or I can go over here. I need to secure this place because this is going to be the most important place in this map, because this is this center of the map. If you manage to secure this place, then you can have control of from here and this location. so that your team can rush through those locations more easily. So don't be like this Obj.430U. Okay, the M48 pattern just... Where is that E75 TSO? He made his way up the Besante. Every freaking time an artillery is just going to be hit me, and he killed my loader. Can you honestly believe this? Poor Besante, he doesn't know what he is. He dude, you are in a trap right now. Can you miss one, please? Okay, he missed. Oh my good god. Don't you have another player to shoot? You goddamn freak, he killed my gunner. I cannot fire anyone right now. This is going to be a lose, guys. This is going to be a lose. The RNG just told me that I'm not letting you do anything. I'm just waiting here until my medkit cooldown is over. 3 seconds. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Please, artillery, please do not shoot me, please. I beg you. Yes, my artillery should work for me right now. I'm not letting this to happen. I'm not letting my team down. So I can rush this M48 pattern. What the heck, dude? What the heck? How didn't I manage to spot you? Anytime soon I am going to be set it on fire. So can I one-shot this guy? Woo! Artillery, here comes the artillery, I think. Artillery is now coming to shut me down, right? So the Besante is down, the VK is down. If the M48 pattern just get destroyed, I'm really happy with it, with that. So thank you, my friend. Thank you. You really did a great job, right? And I'm trying to get over here, try to have some shots on the enemy heavies. But I'm going to get spotted, guys. I am going to get spotted. What? Did I shoot his gun? Oh my god, I'm dead. I am literally dead right now. Artillery is going to find me. Okay, this Renocerante is not on the move, right? Or maybe I'm not spotted anymore. Did he blind fire? I hope actually you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to talk the ending part here because the game is going to be actually end right in any moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you didn't like, just press the opposite button, the dislike button. And actually you can subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. And as always, not always, but I was trying to say, very soon I will just try to play games again. The games that you want to see, the old games, Far Cry 1, Far Cry 2, and cool games, strategic games like Commandos 3. These are the games I have actually. And the games like this, Resident Evil 2, the original one, or the Resident Evil 3 original one, and every game, most of the games. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see the gameplay of these games. And you can also follow me on Instagram, which my name, I will put it down in the descriptions. And yup, well, I was able to just destroy this batch fully. That was really cool. Okay, well, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this again, and have a great day. Have fun with the upcoming lunar challenge, and see you guys really soon.